In this video I will show you how you can install Windows 11 in your PC without TPM and secure boot. So let's begin. Alright, so you will need a pen drive which should be at least 12 GB, and we will be making a bootable pen drive so we can install our Windows 11 with the help of a software called Rufus. It is used to make bootable pen drive. It's very easy to use. So let's make a bootable pen drive. So select your USB drive in the device tab and click on select to select the ISO file of Windows 11, and all the links will be in the description, so don't get worried. You can also select the partition scheme if you have a GPT partition or MBR partition. So now everything is ready, so let's just press the start button and it will start creating a bootable USB for Windows 11. We will need these two files to bypass the TPM and secure boot check in the installation process, so make sure you download that. After your bootable USB is ready, go into the USB and paste the registry file in the setup. Now copy the .dll file and paste it to the sources folder. Alright, so everything is ready, so let's start installing our Windows 11. And there's still an important step left, so don't leave the video yet.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
As you can see, it's showing my PC can't run Windows 11. So let's just go back and press Shift F10 and it will open the command prompt. Now type notepad and hit enter and it will open a notepad. So now go to files and click on open. As you can see, now the installation is working, and let me just quickly select my disk partition and the Windows will be installed. Alright, so after 10 to 15 minutes our Windows 11 is ready to use, and I have already installed my softwares and everything works great. My start menus work, the search works, and it's very beautiful. So thanks for watching. Like and dislike, it's your choice, and I will see you in the next video.